This pineapple mint jelly is not only very tasty, but also very easy to make. First, we'll start by cutting the pineapple slices into very small pieces. The smaller you can cut them, the tastier our jam will be after cutting all the pineapple. We'll put it in a saucepan. We'll add 2 cups of sugar, and if you prefer, you can add just 1. Let's stir very well and let the pineapple cook with the sugar. When the pineapple has crystallized, squeeze a lemon and stir again. Let it cook with the lemon juice for another 5 minutes and then add the chopped mint. Let's stir, and the point of our jam is here. The pineapple must be translucent. Once it has cooled down, transfer the jam to a properly sanitized container. Then cover and store in the fridge. Here I am eating this Cortella pineapple jam with a little piece of cheese. Also tastes good on toast, crackers, pâtés, and other types of cheese. It was simply amazing. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.